So here's how to fix screen goes black randomly on Windows 11. So first what you want to do is right click Windows logo and then open the terminal as admin, or CMD as admin for Windows 10. It's pretty much the same. In here we want to run the command sfc /scan now, press enter, and then wait for the process to scan the system files and repair any potentially corrupted files. Now once this is complete, you can simply close this command line, and then we want to check the screensaver settings. So we want to open the Windows menu and search for screensaver, and then click on change screensaver. And in this window right here, we want to make sure that the screensaver is set to none, and then we can click on apply and OK. Next we want to go to power settings. So we want to open the menu and search for power settings and click on power action settings. And in here we want to click on the power mode and set it to either balanced or power efficient, or if you want to use best performance, that's cool as well. Now for the screen sleep and hibernation timeouts, we want to click on this and turn my screen off. After, we want to set it to never if you never want to turn the screen off. And you can also disable putting the device to sleep and hibernating the device after a certain period of time, as that can make the screen go black. Now you can simply close this. Next we want to check our GPU drivers, so we can go to device manager, right click on Windows logo and go to device manager, and in here we want to expand display adapters, and then double click on NVIDIA GeForce or your GPU, or you can also right click and choose update drivers. In here we can search automatically for drivers. Now if you have the latest drivers, you should see the same window here. You can also look for updated drivers on Windows Update, and make sure you download and install any pending updates in here. You can also click on advanced options and then optional updates, and in here you want to check any GPU related updates. Check the box next to it and then click on download and install. Now once everything is installed, you can reboot your PC. Now for NVIDIA GPUs, there is the NVIDIA app, which you can download from the browser and install it. Now you want to open your NVIDIA app or your relative GPU app, go to drivers, and in here make sure you have the latest driver installed. So you can also click on the arrow here to check for updates, and you should see a download if you don't have the latest version. So you can click on download to start downloading the GeForce Game Ready driver. Now once you download and install this, you will be prompted to reboot your PC, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.